cold open, ready to revolutionize your online business? Listen up. In the bustling world of e-commerce, standing out is paramount. WordPress is your secret weapon. With a plethora of plugins and themes, you can customize your virtual storefront to your heart's content. Transform your website into a compelling, customer-friendly platform. Think it's complicated? Think again. WordPress is user-friendly, even for beginners. With just a few clicks, you can add products, set up payment methods, and begin selling to the world. But it doesn't stop there. WordPress also offers powerful analytics tools. Track your sales, identify trends, and optimize your marketing strategy all in one place. In the world of e-commerce, success is a few clicks away. With WordPress, create the online store you've always dreamed of. No need to wait. Embark on your e-commerce journey today. This is the future of online business. This is WordPress e-commerce.